Hello everyone. Now today I am going to explain you lesson number 11, past tense. In my previous video I had explained you the present tense. Now today the past tense. In the past tense, as again it can be divided the four different tenses that we all know. The simple past tense, then the past continuous, perfect and the perfect continuous. So here first I am going to discuss with you the simple past tense. In the simple past tense, the helping verb did we are using, right? And then the let's see the structure of the sentence in a simple past tense. The first tense again can be divided. The sentences can be divided in three categories. The affirmative sentence. Affirmative can also be known as the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, and this is also known as the simple sentence, simple past tense sentence. Then the negative and then the interrogative sentences. The helping verb that we are using and the structure of the sentence in the first see the affirmative sentence. In the affirm, there most of you just doing up the mistake. In the affirmative sentence of the past tense, simple past tense, the subject we are using. After that, whatever the subject, maybe plural or the single, it doesn't matter. The subject we are using, and after that we are using the second form of the main verb. V2, it is known as the V1 for the first form, V2 for the second form, and V3 for the third form. So here we are using the second form of the main verb and then plus object. See the example given there. He went. Went is the second form of the go. Go, went, gone. Right? So go is the V1 form, went is the V2 form, and the gone is the V3 form of the verb, of the main verb. So here, whenever the sentences can be explained in a simple past tense, affirmative sentence, the second, the main verb will be in a second form. Then after that, the object is there. After that, the negative sentence. Here is the problem, because most of the time when you will be asked that you have to change the sentence from affirmative to negative, generally what you are using, the same main verb you are using. But in the negative sentence, the structure of the sentence is the subject plus helping verb plus not. The helping verb did we are using here plus not. Plus now here we are using the first form of the main verb, then object. So the structure is that he did not go to the school. This is the sentence. After that, the third sentence type of the sentence in a simple past tense is the interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences again can be written in two ways. Starting out with the WH word and the helping verb. So in a WH word, the structure of the sentence is WH word, what, where, when, how, why, whose. This is the WH word. Then WH word plus helping verb did plus subject plus main verb की first form plus object, and then at the end put the question mark. If the sentence starts with the helping verb, then the helping verb plus subject plus main verb, first form of the main verb plus object plus the interrogative sentence. See the example. Did he go to the school? Here this is the helping verb, subject, main verb, first form main verb, and then the object. WH word, where, helping verb, did, subject, he, and then the main verb. This is the overall structure of the sentence in a simple past tense. Now let's see that from where we are using it. ये तो मैंने आपको बताया कि हम सेंटेंस कैसे लिखेंगे, what are the rules are there. Now see that from where we are applying the simple past tense is that to see in page number 81 in your book, it is to express a past habit. Suppose now you are young or old, then when you are a kid or a small kid, then you having a different type of the qualities, different type of the habits you have. So when you are explaining this one, then you are explaining these habits in a simple past tense. See the example given in your book. I went to bed early when I was in a school. Next is to express an action that was completed before the time of speaking. To express an action that was completed, वो क्या होगा? Complete हो जाएगा कब? Before the time of the speaking, बोलने से पहले. The dancers performed well. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा perform किया था. था थी in a Hindi it is like that. Fourth is to express an action that took place over a period of time in the past. If any of the event taken place in the past time, और वो जो है situation है वो past में ही है, that means it start at the past and the end also in a past. When you are having a particular time over there, then you are explaining it in a simple past tense. Suppose you are taken an admission in if you are taken an admission in your school, in which you are right now, Vidyamani, right? Maybe you are taken an admission in this school in 2015. So before that, definitely you were in some other school. So when you are explaining this sentence, then you just write down that time period कि 2015 के पहले और 2010 से लेकर के 15 तक आप कौन से स्कूल में थे. अगर आप वो एक्सप्लेन करते हो, then you are explaining it in a simple past tense. To narrate a story, whenever we are narrating a story, it is in a past tense. Once upon a time, there was a king, right now, and a queen. So like this, whenever narrating a story, generally it will be in a simple past tense. Now, let's see next one. This is the past continuous tense. Past continuous tense. In the past continuous tense, the helping verb that we are using here is the was and were. Here, let me just more clear it to you. Was with singular subject and the were with plural subject. Right? Then the structure of the sentence is, in the affirmative sentence is the structure will the subject plus helping verb plus main verb. Main verb की first form plus ing plus object. Right? See the example. Example is, he is going to the, this is the helping verb plus the main verb plus ing form. If the plural verb is there, was, they were going to the, if the negative sentence is there, then use the way as you were doing earlier. Use the helping verb plus not plus main verb, first form of the main verb plus ing plus object. For the interrogative sentences, helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus ing form plus object and put the question mark. For the WH word, helping verb, subject, main verb first form plus ing form plus object and put the question mark. That's it. See the example of the negative sentences. He was not going to the school. Then for the interrogative sentences, that was he going to the school. So this is the overall past continuous tense. Now let's see that from where we are using the past continuous tense. Past continuous, as it is clear up to you with the word that the कोई भी ऐसा काम जो past में continue चल रहा था, उसके लिए हम use करेंगे past continuous tense. Let's see the situation. To express an action going on at some time in the past. See the example. She was knitting all evening on Sunday. Second is to express an action that was a habit in the past. कोई आपकी रही होगी, continuation में चल रही होगी कोई habit, तो उसके लिए आप use करेंगे word past continuous tense. The chef was always preparing delicious food for his client before the restaurant closed. Third rule, to indicate an action which had started at home at some time but had not ended at the time when some other action took place. कोई ऐसा काम जो तब तक चलता रहेगा जब तक दूसरा काम स्टार्ट नहीं हो जाएगा, और ये सारी चीजें किसमें होंगी? It will happen in a past. When this type of the situation is there, then we are explaining it also in a past continuous. Any of the work is continuing in the past till and it will not end till the second work will start. See the example given in your book is that the lady was coughing when I entered the room. She was coughing. The coughing was continuously and happen, and it's not stop. Right? So that can be explained in the past continuous tense. Thank you for this one. Solve the exercise and clear up your doubt.